Hey guys, Brighton here from Back on Track Fitness. As you can see, we have about 80 people here behind us knocking out the burpees. We started the day with 47,500. We're down to about 25,000 now, so as you can see, we're well and truly into it. We've got the barbecue going, a heap of volunteers. It's a great community atmosphere down here. Doing it for the bushfires. It's a fantastic cause. It's the least we can do. Well guys, that's a wrap. We've just knocked out about 50,000 burpees in about 2 hours. It's been a fantastic effort. We had about 80 to 85 people going at it for 2 hours, so it's a great community effort. Now, we did raise about 47,500. We did do 50,000 burpees, so if any of you would like to jump on board and donate that last 2,500, please, by all means, do so. If everyone chuck in anywhere from 10 to 100 bucks, that'd be fantastic. We'll hit the 50,000 mark. Thanks guys.